Hi, how everybody doing? I am going to be unboxing a brand new Shark Navigator Liftaway Pro NV356E. That's the professional model. It is the silver white version. This, let's see. Like so, where's my cooking? There it goes. Alright, we gotta cook. Eliza, what did I ask you to do? How does this go? Down here? Where does this go? Oh, lift it. Okay. This will go here, like so. And then this will go here, like so. Boom, and click and clack. Look at that, all done. And that's that. Boom. All done. So I lifted this off by clicking these two things here, and then there's one on the tool filters. They're very white at this moment. They will not stay that way for very long. Okay, let's put it back on there. It's back on there. Come on. There we go. Click. And then this goes like a dot. And I think like that. Click. And click. And I believe it's something now. And then this is where the filters are. Now this is what I'm having a problem with this vacuum. This carpet is pretty shaggy. It's not horribly shaggy, but it's enough that I guess Shark vacuums cannot handle. So this is the problem I have with the vacuum. I put it on. You're not going to hear me, so I'm just going to let you listen. The brush roll goes off. Every time I put a brush roll on, it goes off as soon as I start using it. It did it with the last Shark vacuum I had, and I had to send it back. And it really sucks because I really like this vacuum. And I just paid a pretty penny for it. And look at all this dirt in there. And I barely even did anything with this yet. I mean, it's a good vacuum if you don't have a shag carpet.
Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Shark Navigator Upright. It comes with a 30-foot cord, which is really nice. You get a crevice tool, and you get a dusting brush. Mine somehow didn't come with the dusting brush, but I had one that came with a handheld Shark unit that I had, so it will look similar to this. It won't be quite as long, your dusting brush, but I can use this. It fits the same. It also comes with a pet power brush, and it comes with a hard floor dusting brush attachment, and it also has a microfiber, here it is, a microfiber attachment that it just velcros on. And I actually received two of these. You're supposed to get one, but that may be what happened. I got two of these and somehow didn't get my dusting brush. But anyways, so you suck up the dirt here and it dusts your hard floors with the microfiber attachment. Now I'm going to show you how well this works. I have a really dusty rug. It has cat hair all over it. And I'm going to vacuum it for you and show you how well it works. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take this phone with me to show you at the same time. Here we go. Hopefully it's not too loud. Here is the power button. You can do bare floor where the brush roll doesn't turn, or you can turn it all the way on to engage the brush roll. But here you can see a huge difference. On the left you can see where I ran the shark. It's very, very clean. And then on the right is the before. It's very, very dirty. So overall, I am so happy with this shark. It is awesome and I'm so glad I purchased it.
Yeah, it seems pretty good.
This shark vacuum is truly amazing. I've never had a better vacuum. It comes with 2 attachments here, which are very much needed. You can do the brush roll or the bare floor, which is great because I have both. As for the hose, you can take off just the little part, or you can take off the big part, which is down here. So you have 2 different hoses. You can also adjust the suction on the hose, which is great. Also, it's just very super lightweight. You can carry it up and down the stairs. You can also lift it away right here. I can't really do it with one hand, but this will just come off of this base here. And it's also a swivel vacuum. I love this thing, so go and get yourself one.
So here is after just vacuuming one room, which is crazy because I vacuum every day, but this whole thing is full. So it's super easy. You just click these on each side and then lift this up. And then you can either empty it from this front area, this button, or you can open it from top and empty it from the top. But there is a filter that you do want to make sure every time you vacuum, you take this out and you wash it, and then you will have a lot more success. You don't have to do it every single time, but honestly, it does make it work better, and then you get all the dust and particles off.
So then you just push the red button and it comes up, and then you can take it to your stairs and it'll sit there. And look, I have no problems with it standing on its own. Even when the cord's up, there's no issues. So, all right. And then if you take this off, yeah, so lightweight that it wants to fall.